Once upon a time, in a lush jungle, there lived a small boy named Sam. Sam was a curious and adventurous child who loved exploring the wonders of the forest. One day, as he wandered deeper into the jungle, he stumbled upon a clearing where various animals gathered. In the heart of the clearing, Sam noticed a rabbit named Remy. Remy was known for his wisdom and kindness, and the other animals respected him as their leader. Intrigued, Sam approached Remy and asked if he could join their gathering. Remy, with a warm smile, welcomed Sam into their circle. The jungle was home to a diverse group of animals, from wise old owls to playful monkeys and gentle deer. Each had a unique trait that contributed to the harmony of the jungle. As days passed, Sam spent his time learning from the animals. The wise old owl taught him about the stars, the playful monkeys showed him the joy of laughter, and the gentle deer shared the importance of compassion. But it was Remy the rabbit who imparted the most valuable lesson of all. One day, the jungle faced a severe drought. The once vibrant and lush greenery started withering away, and the animals grew desperate for water. Fear and worry gripped the jungle as they struggled to find a solution. In this time of crisis, Sam turned to Remy for guidance. The wise rabbit gathered all the animals and proposed a plan. Each animal would contribute in their own way to find water and sustain the jungle during this challenging period. The wise old owl, with his keen eyesight, would search for hidden water sources. The playful monkeys would swing from tree to tree, keeping an eye out for any signs of water. The gentle deer, with their ability to sense the slightest vibration, would help locate underground streams. Everyone was doing their part, except for Sam. Feeling disheartened, he approached Remy and admitted that he didn't have any special abilities like the other animals. Remy, with a reassuring smile, said, "Sam, everyone has something unique to offer. You may not have the strength of the elephants or the speed of the cheetahs, but you have a heart full of kindness. Use that to inspire others and spread hope." Encouraged by Remy's words, Sam decided to organize a gathering where the animals could share their strengths and talents. The wise old owl shared his knowledge of navigation, the playful monkeys devised a plan to collect rainwater in large leaves, and the gentle deer directed everyone to a hidden underground stream. United by their diverse strengths and inspired by Sam's kindness, the animals worked together to overcome the challenges posed by the drought. Slowly, the jungle began to revive, and life returned to its vibrant state. The experience taught Sam a valuable lesson, that everyone, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, has something special to contribute. The jungle thrived not just because of the strength of the mighty, but because of the collaboration and unique qualities of each creature. As time passed, Sam became a beloved member of the jungle community. The bond he formed with Remy and the other animals became a testament to the power of unity, kindness, and the recognition of individual strengths. And so, in the heart of the lush jungle, a small boy and a wise rabbit, along with their diverse group of friends, continued to live harmoniously, cherishing the lessons they learned and sharing the wisdom of cooperation with generations to come.